on here, I've got my hand on the lever, not doing nothing. Go the other way, nothing.
So the Mini 5 Pro came out on 17th of September. So it's been nearly 2 months now, and there's only been one firmware update with the Mini 5 Pro. And if you didn't know, if you put the drone into Cine Mode, especially when you're doing things like spotlight, the drone won't move. It just stands still. So I thought what I'll do in this video, I'll just show you first the problem and then how to rectify it until obviously DJI, I'm sure they're working on it at the moment until there's another update. But what I'm going to be doing is showing you the Mini 4 Pro, and then I'll be showing you the Mini 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to rectify that problem with the Cine Mode.
I've got the drone up. I want to circle the mine tower there, and if I just go around the tower, I've got my finger on the stick there, so you just go around the tower, it's locked onto it, and I'm 52 feet off the ground, no problem there. And also, if I stop the drone a moment and I'll put it onto Cine Mode, no problem again, it's going what it should be doing, nice and slow. Now with the 5, there's been an issue with when I change the obstacle avoidance. Now at the moment it's on bypass, but if I got it in Cine Mode, which it is at the moment, it doesn't move. But on the 4 Pro it does. I put the brake on, still does it, and I can go the other way, and I'll do it the same with the bypass, because it's the bypass on the 5 Pro, which I'll show you in a mo, guys. So moving fine there. I'll put it into normal.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Now that's because I've flicked it over to sports mode, but anyway, it's gone back into normal mode. Right, so there on the 4, it's all working fine. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change it over to the 5 Pro, and you can see what I'm on about. Okay, so changed it over to the drones. Pretty simple to do. Still using the RC2 controller, so there's no discrepancies on different controllers. Okay, let's just get it round ready. I think when I did the other one, it was about 52 foot. So let's bring it in a bit. Got the flies back again. Thought I got rid of them. Okay, let's bring it down a little bit. Okay, that'll do. Right, so draw a box around the tower. Got the spotlight on. I'll just check what I've got it on at the moment. I'll put it on the brake a moment. So we go round to anti-clockwise. Okay, there it goes, going around. Still on the tower. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to change it over to Cine Mode. So that's going slower, which is good. Everything's fine. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to change the obstacle to bypass, which I've done on the 4, and that worked fine, didn't it? On here, I've got my hand on the lever, not doing nothing. Go the other way, nothing. If I put it onto brake, no problem. Off it goes. And we've got it in Cine Mode at the moment, don't forget. So if I stop that, come out of that, go back into normal mode, still fine. There he goes, coming round. Okay, I'm just going to stop it there. I'm going to check onto bypass. Now it works fine on that, but as soon as you put it into Cine Mode, it ain't moving. So obviously there's something wrong there, because it should be the same as the Mini 4 Pro to the Mini 5 Pro. I think when people use these drone, I use this spotlight quite a lot if I want to do a circle around something. Okay, what I'm going to do now, because I've shown you this problem's been like this ever since the 5's come out, and I'm surprised that nobody else really has been banging on about it. I don't know what that's about. I'm just going to bring it back in now anyway.
Return to home.
There's been a few issues with the waypoints. I think we discussed that as well. At the beginning, for some reason, it was going down into the ground. That looks like that's been resolved with the latest update. Now that was to do with the controller, nothing to do with the drone itself. It's just annoying. I mean, people will pay out a lot of money, and I went out this morning especially to do another video, and I wanted to do it with a 5, and for some reason on that one, I don't think I was any further away, but the spotlight just kept coming off the subject. It just kept moving away from it, and this happened when I went out down Madrid way on quite a long drive. The subject was quite a distance from us, so we flew right close to it, but every time I hooked onto it, the spotlight just kept moving off it. Now, a trick that I did before is put it into quick shots and do a circle. That seemed to work, but today that floated off. But today I'll come to this location, which I'm going to show you now, and I'm sure it's going to work fine. But the other place, every time I put it onto the circle around the subject, it just kept coming off it. So I'm doing that now. We got it on anti-clockwise, so I start it.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. I think it's doing it, because I was, yeah. Okay, so it's gone right off it. I'm glad it's done that, because I don't think people would have believed me. Okay, I better stop that, because that's just going nuts now. Let's go back to the tower again. Put a circle around it. Press start.
3, 2, 1.
Because this morning it was driving my head in, and the thing I was going around was a solid subject, so I understand maybe the tower could be a little bit iffy. It's trying to stay there. I can give it that. Now this time it seems to be working fine. So the summary. So obviously there's a problem when you put it into Cine Mode and you put it into bypass, the drone won't move at all. Put it back into brake, it moves. On the 4 Pro, no problem. So it's definitely an issue there. You can't just tell me, oh, because it's a 5, it's different. So anyway, DJI, I know you're watching, because you do watch me sometimes. When's the update? We need that update. Anyway, as always, guys, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.